Hello everyone, welcome to N4 Nomad. Today we are starting a journey towards Kozhipara Waterfalls, Kakadampoyil. So let's go. We started in the early morning so that we can see the fog, the misty mountains, the sunrise, and let's see what are waiting for us. You can see a road leading right, and that's another tourist destination, Kozhipara Waterfalls. We have reached Agambaram town. From here, we will start our journey towards the Western Ghats. Western Ghats is one of the most preserved area in India. They have large collection of flora and fauna, and Kakadampoyil belongs to one of the mountains in Western Ghats. Oh, there is a dog. So be careful. Stray dogs are many here. Ride safe. Here you can see some welcome boats to resorts or homestay. Many are cheap, but still some are a bit pricey. In the distance, you can see beautiful misty mountains. Here you can see some caution boats not to swim in the river. It's a bit dangerous. Caution boat again, not to swim in the river. You can see some hut restaurants in the side, left side. Oh, dog again. Now we had a break and see how the scenery is beautiful. It's the Western Ghats. Here you can see the road we came. Both left and right turn ahead leads to the same destination which we are going, but we are taking the right turn and which is quite off-roading. The tarmac is almost nil here. Now the off-roading begins. Actually, these areas were very badly affected by heavy rainfall and flood. So maybe these roads are damaged during that period. It's 2018 and 19. But we are visiting here 1 year after that, and still it's the same condition. Nothing has changed. One thing to say, it's steep downhill in one side, so if you slip a bit then you will definitely lose your life, so be careful. Often riding to the destination is more interesting than the destination, and if it's on your motorcycle then it's more than thrilling. Here you can see a resort. So it's Satwa Resort. Yes, finally I think we have reached. Let me see. Yeah, we have reached Kozhipara Waterfalls, and this is at Kakadampoyil. So it's closed now. Let's ask. It opens by 9 a.m. So now we can go inside. Hope you can hear the sound of waterfall. So this is Kozhipara Waterfalls. Now the water is too less because it was not raining for last 2 weeks. Still, it's very beautiful. Here you can see some protection fences so that no danger happens. Now we are returning back. Now it's a different route, and this is through the forest, and it's quite interesting, I think so. So let's go. We had food from this restaurant. There are only limited number of restaurants here because of the COVID restrictions. Now this is a forest area. Mainly you can find some elephants here, but assume if someone comes through this narrow way, we will be trapped, definitely. This is the portion of a river and we stopped here seeing this beautiful view. Okay, now let's say goodbye to Kozhipara Waterfalls, Kakadampoyil. So we will come back again because there are many places here to see. It's the lockdown time due to COVID, so we couldn't visit many places. So sure, we will be back. If you like this video, please subscribe, click the like button and do comment. Your suggestions are always welcoming. Thank you friends.